how to check reward points on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check your reward points on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. Alright, after you open TikTok, you will get this type of interface from your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines just at the top right. And from your as usual tap on balance. From balance section you'll be able to find your every balance like your coins or estimate balance. From your tap on the option estimate balance. And from the section you can manually check your reward point on the section live reward. After you tap on that you'll be able to view all of your reward points on your TikTok. So from here you can as usual confirm. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.